track. Shove and jive and swing. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs. Ride like a buckaroo. Tennis court, swimming pool. Listen to the cowboys sing. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs. While that snow is falling on the mountain top, you can hear the coyotes calling. Boy, they never stop. If you want to dance a song, better bring some cabbage long. Filthy lucre is the thing. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs. Falling on the mountain top. You can hear them coyotes calling. Boy, they never stop. If you want to dance a song, better bring some cabbage long. Filthy lucre is the thing. Everybody jumping down to Palm Springs. What do you think?
That's amazing. Fucking amazing.
That's not even a really good one. That's kind of a cheap one.
Wow. All right, so now we're going to do the other song. You'll hear.
So he'll be facing that one.
So Casey, it's like he sings out to the audience, but because he's playing the piano, you might have to dial that up a little to hear him. So you want to turn this. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. I don't want you to have a flashing. I don't have a flashing.
Well, you don't want to run your battery down.
Forest with my hatchet in my hand. Chop, chop, biddly bop. Chop away from Maine to Tennessee. Chop, chop, biddly bop. Chop away from Maine to Tennessee. Chop, chop, biddly bop. Got to learn to chop if you're gonna get along with me. Chop, chop, biddly bop. Well, if you got 60 minutes, gonna love me damn. But if you want some chop and cover, hat man, I'm swinging so long. Call me the hatchet man, chop, chop, biddly bop. Find me in the forest with my hatchet in my hand. Chop, chop, biddly bop.
How's that?